Om Guruve Namaha. Fourth house is another important house as both its lord as well as Karka is moon. It signifies state of mind, comforts, domestic atmosphere, immediate family, mother, land, vehicles, prosperity and Vastu. The third house signifies affection, the fourth, state of mind, and the fifth, intelligence. All the three are connected to each other. The planets in the third house aspect ninth house, that is the things towards which the native will be attracted, will build his luck. The fourth house planets aspect the 10th house, that is the state of mind of the native, will affect his karma. The fifth house planets aspect the 11th house, that is the intelligence of the native, will affect his desires. The fourth house tells how the native will organize his mind or balance it. If 12th lord sits in 4th house, the native will not get mental peace at the native place of birth. Meditation will make the state of mind of the native balanced. If 4th lord aspects 10th house, shows that the native will not get stability of karma at workplace until he changes his place of residence, that is, he should settle abroad or in a different culture or environment for success in profession. When the 6th lord sits in the 4th house, or say when the 6th, 8th or 12th lord sits in the 4th house, it makes the things challenging. The native should never live in his own house, that is, either he should live in a rented house or live in a property on which he has taken loan. Otherwise, if the native lives in his own house, his mind will remain unstable and will have mental conflicts leading to chances of illness. The native should shift to job from business to live in his own house, and if wants to go for business, should mortgage the property in which he is living. The native should have the sense of service, that is, he should have a helping nature. If 8th lord comes in 4th house, it makes chances of getting inherited property from in-laws. If the native with this combination study occult or astrology, their state of mind will become stable. Also, if 8th lord is in 4th house and the 10th house of the native is empty, the native can make astrology or occult as his whole-time profession. If 9th lord comes in 4th house, whenever a lord of trine comes in a center, it makes a Raj Yoga. The native, wherever he will live, will have divine blessings of ancestors in his house if it is not afflicted. If the 10th house is also empty, the profession of the native will be supported by luck, 9th house. If the 9th lord is placed in 4th house and aspects the 10th house of profession, religious activities will keep on taking place in the house of the native, and it is good for his house as well as for his mental state. 5th lord in 4th house is also a Raj Yoga. The domestic environment of such a native will be educational. If 10th lord is in 4th house, the domestic atmosphere of the native will have professional activities or will have office at home and do all the official activities from home or at home. If 11th lord is in 4th house, the social circle of the native will enter domestic atmosphere, or there will be too much social gatherings in the native's house. An aspect on the 10th house indicates that social circle must be of people related to his profession. If first lord comes into 4th house, the native will have full control over domestic atmosphere. The native will gather luxuries in his house through his own efforts, and aspect on the 10th house will give command over profession also. Second lord in 4th house, the native will get peace of mind when he will have money, and if his family is fine, and aspect on the 10th house shows that his profession will also run fine if his family and wealth are fine. Third lord in 4th house, the native will be peaceful and his profession will also be in good condition if he goes away from home or should add short travels to his profession. Fourth lord in 4th house is good for stability of mind and will have direct influence on profession also. Fifth lord in 4th house, the native should keep on learning for mental stability and growth of profession. Seventh lord in 4th house, the domestic atmosphere will be controlled by the partner and will also control native's mental stability. If the native purchases property in the name of the partner, it will grow and it will also affect the native's profession positively. 8th lord in 4th house, the native should learn astrology or do full-time astrology or occult as 4th house aspects 10th house. Ninth Lord is in 4th house. The native should purchase property in the name of father, and the native should indulge himself in religious works for mental stability and support of luck in profession. 10th Lord in 4th house, work from home or office work at home. That is, home becomes a place for professional work for such natives. If 4th house of a native is afflicted, it affects his mental stability and his profession. The native should move away from house, abroad, or to a different culture and environment for mental and professional stability. The planets in the 4th house or the planets conjunct with 4th Lord shows that the native will live in the house facing that direction. Too much negative planets in the 4th house or the affliction of the 4th Lord indicates Vastu Dosh in the native's house. We'll keep sharing more interesting facts regarding different houses ahead. Always stay blessed. Hari Om Tat Sat.